Hello, hello friends, Danny here at Danny's Dreams. I'm stopping by today with a card for Kendra's Card Challenge 12. This is a hop. If you haven't heard of Kendra's Card Challenge before, in the description box below is a link to Kendra's debut video of it. It's a cutting guide and sketches. You take 6 pieces of 6x6 paper and you can create 15 cards with it. Today is part of a hop. I'm in part of a hop, and we are using and promoting our super sponsors like LiQWYD stamps. I used the Festive Desert 6x6 paper pad, and I used the cute cacti stamps and dies, and then I used some enamel dots. Again, while I put this card together, I will tell you a little bit about the hop. You can click on the hashtag in the in the title. It's also in the description box, or listed in the description box are the links to everyone's videos. I know there will be tons and tons of inspiration on this hop, so make sure you do visit everybody. There's also a giveaway. Once you hop along and you see everybody's creations, you can win a digital download. Make sure you watch, like, and comment each video along the way. And then when you finish the hop, visit the form link in the description box by December 10th, 2023 to be entered to be randomly chosen. And the winner will be announced on the Cards by Kendra YouTube channel under the community tab. I also wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of our super sponsors. They are so kind to not only donate products for prizes, but also for the designers to use. Today, like I mentioned, I am using super sponsor LiQWYD stamps products. I just love these cacti. They make me smile. They're just fun. The stamp set also comes with like little faces that you can put on them and stuff. Very, very fun, very versatile. And the paper is so pretty. So I had a blast making this card. Here I am just coloring up the cute image. I for once thought ahead and I picked out the colors first. I only forgot a couple that I had to grab, but I love that you can just use greens and you can use different like tones of it and they all look unique. I'm going to put on some music while I finish putting this card together. Oh, I guess I should say I am using sketch number 10 for my card today, and I just really liked it. Was such a unique layout, and that's one of the things that I love about Kendra's Card Challenge is that you can do one sketch or you can do them all, and you can kind of adjust it to whatever your needs are. If you haven't seen my videos before, I kind of have a process when I put cards together. I like finish the inside, but then I always start at the back and work forward. So you'll see in a minute that I'll stamp the back of the card and then I'll add the inside and then I'll work on the front. I will play some music while I finish putting it all together and then I'll stop by at the end. Does anyone else struggle with release paper like I do? So there is my finished card. Just adding some white pen details. Again, this was for sketch number 10. And I hope that you will take a moment and hop around and see all the inspiration from everyone else. I know it'll be fabulous. And until my next video, I hope you go do something for yourself and go get crafty.